Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out from all your devices in TikTok. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the application and just click on the profile section and log out for all the devices. You just need to follow this step and just click on this three horizontal line. Click here and now click on the setting and privacy options. And now you can see multiple option here. So that's it. We are looking for a security options. Just click security, and now you can see option is manage devices. So just click on manage devices and wait it load. And now you can see multiple device using your TikTok account if you have logged in multiple accounts. So and here you can manage and log out all the devices from here. And if you want to delete from any specific device, so you can choose options here, but I don't have any registered account except this, so I don't have any options. So that's how you can manage your devices here. So that's for the video. I hope you like this video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.